and
I'm
then fly to
finally
the end
playing
really quick.
it. I'm finally
And then
playing
make
it.
it there, you can fly to the end really quick.
It won't be like supersonic, but it will go fast.
Okay.
Wait, does it blink? Blink. No, it doesn't.
So we make some where you just sit on the chair, you die instantly.
No,
Why?
that's not what we're building. We're making a cool plane.
We're making a cool plane.
So, I'm going to start working on the structure. Let me just like...
I'm a snowman. Look, I'm a snowman in game.
I'm
Look,
no
I'm a
snowman.
snowman. I'm a snowman. I like being a snowman, that's cool. Do you like being a snowman?
Kind of. I'm gonna have to bring this up. Okay. Get down. And then just like, so put one. Now it moves smoothly.
Did you just say 6, 7, 7, 7, 6, 7?
Okay, 6, 7 is dead. Admit it.
Was that joke?
It is dead.
Huh?
6, 7 is
No, it's not.
dead. Everybody
6,
left
7.
it in 2025, buddy. So 7.1. Butter, how you doing?
Look, I'm connecting to your plane.
Okay.
I'm connecting a lucky block.
Well, oh, please get rid of that lucky block.
Why do you like lucky block?
Last time, it put a balloon on my plane.
Yeah, that's a good thing, I thought. I thought that was a good thing.
I couldn't even drive the plane.
And I connect my chair to your plane while you're flying your plane. I can go and see. I'll connect my chair to that. Now, but when you're flying your plane, I'm gonna be on here.
What, so you're gonna get slid around all on the floor?
No, can you actually make it so you can actually fly it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that when I've finished the design.
Okay. I'm gonna go flying when
You are gonna
flying.
go flying.
I'm probably dead like in 1 minute.
Wait 1 second.
What?
So I'll just show you what I'm trying to build. Cool. Plane.
I'm gonna make it so I can't fly out.
I'm just gonna make like a super cool plane. Like that.
Are you going to record it? I thought you were recording it.
Yeah, I am recording.
Oh.
Right. Let me move this down.
Did you even do your intro?
Yeah.
I didn't even hear you saying it.
Oh. Right. Okay, so now a clone. Do that. Do that. Okay. What does mirror even do?
Huh?
Turn that.
What,
More. So now all I have to do is just
Dude, I can't fall out my chair, I think, now.
yeah. Now all I have to do is just do that. Rotate it.
Make it so I can teleport to spawn when I want. And I put it there.
Okay.
So when
It's-
if I do fall out, I go into portal.
Yeah. Okay. I move it down now. Oh, more.
Seems I've reached it. Jean has promised that.
Now when I want to go to spawn, I can.
Yeah.
Your one says, yeah. Oh no, my, I don't want to. Your one says on anchor. Your one says on anchor.
Yeah.
Connor, I mean, Boo, it's on anchor. When you push it, will it make the stuff fall?
Yeah.
Well,
It'll just have. Well, it'll just give it physics when I press an anchor.
Oh.
Okay, so now I need to go back to rotate. This isn't working. I'm just gonna do it. No, nobody else is joining my team. Right, I'm gonna go back to clone. Boom. Bada boom.
I wish
Hit.
I had all the tools in the game, but I don't have any really tools.
I have every single tool in the game.
How did you get so much gold?
Oh, I spent Robux for the trowel. I got.
How much Robux are there?
I got 700 worth.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a lot. But why is everybody trying to join my team? I'm gonna be making a video.
Just join that and then make it so you can't see the effect.
Is that possible? Block join requests.
Yeah, that's one. That's the one I was talking about. I'm gonna put a shield on my thing, okay?
Shield.
Do you like it?
Wait, you just put the strongest. Oh, I thought you could have put the strongest thing in the game on it. Round it.
I could do that, but I don't have the best thing in the game.
Oh, do you not have gold?
I only have 31 gold. I only have 31. It's the best way to get a lot.
I don't know.
It's probably AFK farm.
Oh, that's what Mirror does. Okay.
Huh?
Just finally figured out what Mirror does. Okay, he's a little off-centered, but it's okay. It's okay.
Is it only really big?
I know. Oh, can I actually shut this bird tripping off? Like, I'm just gonna turn my. No, I need to at least say something. Okay. It's okay if it's off-centered. Okay, I can walk through. Yeah. So all I need to do now is add the back and, add propellers. Well, adding propellers. but there is going to be jets in them.
What?
Yeah, I think we should make part 2
Part 2 what?
of this. Because it's just going to be like 50 minutes long or something. So, we're going to make part 2 soon as we end this, aren't we? So